This is Montenegro, a country shaped by winds of Mediterranean and a place full of extraordinary opportunities. Always at the crossroads of important global affairs, Montenegro stands proudly today as an independent state fully involved in many major international organizations, including NATO. Thanks to its exciting landscapes and dynamic cultural differences, Montenegro has earned its spot amongst the most desirable tourist destinations in the world. Besides the strong and ever-growing tourism sector, Montenegro is finding new and innovative ways to diversify its economy. Ideally positioned as a bridge between Europe and Middle East with advanced air, sea, and road connections, Montenegro is able to easily trade with any destination worldwide. Paired with its qualified human resources and multilingual young population, this makes a welcoming combination for foreign investments. Also, Montenegro is using euro as its currency and maintaining favorable business environment. A significant part of economy of Montenegro relies on metal processing industry, which is the most important sector of manufacturing industry in Montenegro. Besides, automotive sector plays an important role since there are numerous factories involved. Some of the most important companies are Dito Metalkator JS, which specializes in manufacturing plain bearings and bushings for internal combustion engines, as well as other mechanical engineering applications.
Dobrodošli u Dito Metalkator, kompaniju koja je u sastavu Dito grupe, čije je sjedište u Nagoji u Japanu. Naša kompanija se bavi proizvodnjom dijelova za automobilsku industriju i od 2002. godine kao Dito Metal Japan posluje na teritoriji Crne Gore. Naša destinacija za svakog kupca je na cijeloj teritoriji Europe. Dakle, naši glavni kupci su Volvo grupa, PSA grupa, Ford, Fiat i tako dalje. Proizvodimo klizne ležaje za prvu ugradnju, odnosno za fabrike koje proizvode agregate za automobile koje sam sada pomenuo. U sklopu naše kompanije radi 134 radnika.
Steel plant Nikšić focuses on forged bars, ingots, and various steel products for different applications. At Black Metallurgy Institute JSC in Nikšić, the liquid steel is produced at induction furnaces with a capacity of 2,000 tons per year. The nominal amount of the total registered capital is 5,220,145 euros, and the nominal value of each share amounts to 8.16 euros. With its enchanting Adriatic coastline and captivating investment prospects in the north, Montenegro has become an undeniable magnet for visionary investors, offering abundant prospects for success. Already hosting world-class luxury brands such as One and Only, Chadi, and Regent, Montenegro unquestionably established its reputation as a reliable and promising investment destination in the tourism sector. In 2023, Montenegro proudly welcomed the esteemed Hyatt brand, adding another premium name to its hospitality scene. Tourism revenues in Montenegro have been growing steadily, reaching 997 million euros last year, just 50 million euros short of the all-time best recorded in 2019, with 12.4 million overnight stays in 2022. With a record revenue of 119 million euros and 62% increase of tourist arrivals in the first quarter of 2023, the tourism sector in Montenegro showcases remarkable potential and stands as a significant contributor to the country's economy and development.
Kompanija Adriatic Marina s portom Montenegro jedan je od najvećih inostranih investitora u Crnoj Gori. Poslujemo od 2008. godine i brojimo više od 1000 zaposlenih na našem projektu, kako direktno, tako indirektno zaposlenih. Mi smo poznati po tome što smo zaista prvi inicirali super jaht industriju i turizam u Crnoj Gori. Trenutno brojimo 450 vezova u našoj marini, a plan je da dupliramo broj vezova do kraja projekta, a naše nautičko naselje broji 440 izgrađenih i prodatih stanova sa vlasnicima koji dolaze iz svih krajeva svijeta, od Japana do Sjedinjenih Američkih Država. Trenutno je aktuelan projekat Boka Place, vrijednost više od 100 miliona eura koji će biti završen sljedeće godine sa 213 stanova i više od 45 zakupaca. I to je tek drugi dio Porto Montenegro od ukupno 5 koje planiramo da uradimo radimo do kraja projekta. Mi kao Adriatic Marinas smo zadovoljni investicionom klimom u Crnoj Gori i imamo odličnu saradnju kako sa lokalnom, tako i sa nacionalnom upravom kada je u pitanju negdje razumijevanje za projekte našeg karaktera koji kombinuju superjaht industriju i nautički turizam.
Montenegro's energy sector holds immense promise, as the country boasts significant potential for new projects in renewable energy, making it one of the most prospective industries in the nation. Concessions for renewable energy projects in Montenegro can range up to 60 years. Besides already completed projects of Krnovo and Mojura wind farms, Montenegro has connected its electrical system to Italy and the EU via a state-of-the-art submarine energy cable. In addition, Montenegro holds tremendous untapped potential in another renewable energy sector. Solar energy presents a promising avenue for development, capitalizing on the country's abundant sunlight due to its geographic location. All of this stands as a testament to Montenegro's unwavering commitment to sustainable energy and environmental responsibility. Sector of agriculture in Montenegro is a dynamic and promising investment opportunity. With vast agricultural land spanning 309,241 hectares, it makes a significant contribution of 6.5% to the country's GDP in 2021. This thriving industry employs 10,700 people and engages in flourishing foreign trade worth 679 million euros in last year of 2022. From picturesque orchards to bountiful fields, Montenegro's agricultural landscape is ripe for investment, promising growth and prosperity. As of 2023, it is possible to get access to EU funds through IPARD 2, supporting the agri-food sector's growth in alignment with market standards. Business stimulating programs and the Investment Development Fund provide incentives and loans for fixed assets, intangible assets, and working capital. As of 2023, Montenegro is one of the most emerging IT destinations. With a thriving ICT sector, the country offers excellent opportunities for companies in these fields. In 2022 alone, the sector generated a turnover of 602 million euros and achieved an impressive revenue growth of 23%, contributing to the Montenegrin total exports with 21% in 2022. Being home to more than 1,049 ICT companies, Montenegro is going through its own digital revolution. The ICT Cortex Association plays a vital role in driving innovation, education, and technology development. Business hubs such as Tenopolis and Intel Digitalna Fabrika foster entrepreneurship and technological advancement. Additionally, the Science and Technology Park supports high-tech activities and facilitates the commercialization of innovative ideas.
Arctic 3D makes one of the world's leading 3D scanners. We make 3D scanners for reverse engineering, inspection, biggest car manufacturers, for inspecting bridges, roads, and we are a Luxembourg headquartered company with offices in the US, in Japan, in China, and now also in Montenegro. We opened an office here a year ago, and why did we do this? Because we wanted to have a second office in Luxembourg, offering our employees an alternative way of living. So here our programmers, marketing specialists and others can take inspiration from the sea and the mountain around them and live in a more relaxed environment, and hopefully for the company put this extra energy into their work. We've been assisted by the Montenegrin government all the way. We've had lots of help in opening a company, setting up the office, and a number of other logistical matters.
With 2/3 of its land covered in forests, Montenegro possesses immense potential in the field of wood processing and furniture manufacturing sector. During the 2022 alone, Montenegro exported wood products worth 50 million euros, demonstrating its competitiveness in the global market. In order to further incentivize businesses to upgrade their operations, government issued the Industry Modernization Support Program, which offers up to 35% financing for equipment procurement. With all these abundant resources and favorable incentives, Montenegro is paving the way for a thriving wood processing and furniture manufacturing sector. Here at the Montenegrin Investment Agency, we offer comprehensive assistance throughout your exploration and evaluation of investment opportunities. Montenegro, more than an investment.